Hello, I'm Susmita Siddhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to contour your face step by step. So first, starting off with Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer before you apply any makeup on your skin. Now taking NYX Conceal Correct and Contour Palette, I am taking the orange corrector shade and I'll be applying it under my eye area and also around my lips. I have a little darkness under my eyes and also around my lips, so I'm correcting it with the orange shade. So for blending you can use a brush, a beauty blender or also your fingers. Now I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee and I'll be applying it all over my face. Next I'm taking a wet beauty sponge and I'm blending this foundation on my face. So I have done this video in the natural light. I haven't used any artificial light in front of me. For covering my under eye area, I am taking two concealers from Maybelline. One is Fit Me and one is Age Rewind Concealer. So the Fit Me concealer, I'll be using it for covering my under eyes, and the Age Rewind concealer is a lighter to my skin, so that I'll be using it for highlighting my face. Don't apply this highlighting shade near to your nose if you are having uneven texture going on around your nose. You can apply like how I applied, because I have a little uneven texture going on around my nose. So yeah, if you highlight near to your nose and there is uneven texture around your nose, then the texture will also show up and that texture will get highlighted, so it won't look good. Now taking the darkest chocolate brown shade from NYX Conceal Correct and Contour Palette, so that we can contour our face very sharply if you take the darkest shade for contouring. And based on your face types, you can contour. Like there are many different face shapes, like heart shape, square shape, diamond shape, oval, round shape. So I'm having like a square shape, so I want like a oval shape, but I won't get exactly an oval shape, but I'll try to contour it and make my chubby cheeks look thin. Already 4 p.m. in the evening, so that's why I'm looking a little bit darker, because I am not using any artificial light in front of me. So near the forehead, drag that contouring shade into your hairline. I usually don't like to contour my nose, but for the sake of you guys, I'll be showing how to contour your nose. Now I'm taking the Fit Me compact powder. You can also take a setting powder to set and also to highlight. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette and I'm taking the blush. You can apply it anywhere on your cheekbone. If you want that cute look, you can apply it near your nose, and if you want the uplifted look, you can apply it near the contour, like blend it into the contouring shade. Taking the highlighting shade from the same palette, I'll be highlighting my face. This is the contoured look. I know this is looking really weird, but after your eye makeup and lip makeup is done, this will look gorgeous and amazing. And the product links, I'll be mentioning it in the description box so that you can directly go there and check out if you're liking the products or something. And this is the final look after eye makeup and lips are done. I have actually did a tutorial on my Instagram on this eye makeup and lip makeup, so you can directly go into my description box and you can click the link of my Instagram and you can check out there. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.